Community Connection.
Thanks for joining us here on the Montana Television Network for this Community Connection Spotlight. This morning we're joined by Roxanne Closey with the Easter Seals Goodwill Northern Rocky Mountain organization. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks so much for having me.
So we're here to talk about a really important cause during November. It's really a month of awareness for your organization.
It truly is. Yeah. One of the things that we're able to offer is a complete umbrella of services that will be able to take care of individuals in their homes, regardless of the level of care that they need. Okay. And November is the National Recognition Month for in-home health care and hospice.
Okay, very neat. And as I understand it, you are the Assistant Vice President of the Clinical
Service
Line. Can you talk a little bit about the need for that here in Great Falls and how you've been able to work with these?
So our clinical services actually spans 15 counties here in the state of Montana. So we serve up from the north central border, basically, of Canada down to the southwest border. And we're able to offer services that are companion-like services. So we can go and help with some shopping and meal preparation, maybe some light housekeeping, or even sometimes people who just need some companion care. And, sure. And we're able to do that in all 15 of those counties. The next level of care that we offer is Medallion Home Health Care, and that's here primarily in Cascade County. And we're able to take care of all levels of needs that anyone would have with wound care, or wow. They may have had surgery and they need some therapies in order to get stronger so they can get out of their home safely.
Right.
And then the final one that we offer in-home is hospice. So we started our Medallion Hospice service about a year ago and have been able to serve tens, I think we're at 33 individuals within the Cascade County borders. Wow. So we're able to take care of individuals really from any level of care that they provide or that they require to end-of-life care.
Very neat. So it seems like a variety of patients, everything from, like you said, people who are just out of surgery to that end-of-life care. What is something that you're hoping people learn about your organization during November, or anything that you guys really want to emphasize?
We really want to emphasize the fact that we have in-home care. So we have Medallion Home Health Care, and that's been in Great Falls for 21 years.
Oh, wow.
And then we have our Medallion Hospice program, and that basically is a satellite of a hospice program that we've had in Butte for 40 years. So we have the experience and we have great quality in order to take care of individuals at any level of care that they require.
Very neat. And as I understand it as well, the Easter Seals Goodwill works not just with Montana residents, you guys are based here, but there's also the surrounding neighboring states that have been able to come and get help as well, which is awesome.
So Easter Seals Goodwill Northern Rocky Mountain is our entity, and we span Idaho, Utah, Wyoming, and Montana. We're a very diverse organization and have about 1,600 employees.
That's wonderful. And before we run out of time, anybody that's curious about either getting involved or may know somebody that would use your services, where can people find more information?
Absolutely. Our corporate office is here in Great Falls at 425 First Avenue North. And there's a website as well. You can go to esgw.org and you could look at any of the programs that we have available and what might be a good resource for you.
All right, perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.